For the reading strategy, I chose question answer relationships, which in the go to strategy document, it's on page 57. For writing, I chose graphic organizers, which is in the go to strategy document on page 62. For the reading strategy, we read an article that was some background research for them when they're making their cars. And there was some guided reading questions that I asked so that we get straight to the point of the article and why we were reading in class and how it relates to the ramp that we um, have the cars going down and why, certain things need to be on that car and why it's important. For writing the graphic organizers, it helped tremendously with them getting their ideas down and not just putting random stuff on a sheet of paper. It was able to be a little bit more organized than the other, which is normally all over the place. So there's a place for them to sketch and label their design. There's a place for them to describe their design, and then there was a place for them to come up with like a total cost of their idea. And they had to do that twice. I think both went very well. Um, I think with the reading, I would like to do. I did it a whole class. Um, so next time, I think I would like to do little, maybe small groups, because I see all the kids. So I have co-taught kids for 2 class periods. So sometimes the reading article and the questions for them were harder. Um, I think my EL students did fairly well with the article. Um, but I think splitting it up a little bit and maybe giving them an article that's not so difficult to understand some of that academic language that we haven't really talked a lot about would be more beneficial. And that's what I would change about the reading. The writing, I just think that having a place, I'm very organized, so I liked that for the EL students. It was very organized for them to write down and gather their ideas and not just have stuff all over the place, if that makes sense.